Hello and welcome to Jonah's Delights, episode 7. And today we're making cornbread. The things you'll need is a measuring cup, a spoon, a mixer, a cast iron skillet, and an oven. The ingredients are self-rising cornmeal, all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, sugar, brown sugar, milk, vegetable oil, eggs, and vanilla. First thing you want to add is 1 cup of self-rising cornmeal. After that, you want to put in your 1 cup of all-purpose flour and mix it in with the spoon. After you add your flour, you want to add your 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Next comes the 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. After that, we have 1/4 cup of sugar. And 1/3 cup of brown sugar. And after that, you want to blend it all up. As you can see, it's time to blend. First, we're going to put in our 1 cup of milk. And while you're adding stuff in, you want to mix the batter slowly. After that is 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, your egg yolk, your splashes of vanilla, and that's it. Now we're just going to sit and wait until it's ready. Now that we're done mixing, it's time to pour it into our skillet. I already pre-sprayed my skillet with butter spray so that the batter doesn't stick. But you want to get it nice and even inside the pan. Now that's in the pan, it's time to put it in the oven. As you can see, we have 2 apple pies cooling down for a customer. If you want to know how to make apple pie, go on my channel and click episode 4. We have it set for 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Thank you, and we'll see you when it's done. It's time to see the final product. Let's see what it looks like. Thanks for watching Jonah's Delights, episode 7. See you next time.